Bonjour à tous! Mabuhay po tayo dyan! So let's continue our lesson for 12.2 po tayo ngayon. It's all about les transports, transportation, okay? Les transports. So we have, of course, le bus. Le bus. Je prends le bus. Le bus is bus, okay? Donc, I take the bus, okay? Le bus. Le bus, okay? Then we have the metro. Metro is just the same. Le métro. Le métro. Okay? Elle va en métro. Okay? So we have le bus et le métro. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Le bus et le métro. Bravo. So let's continue with the train. The train is or tram. We call it le train. Le train ou le tramway. This train is the train, the speed train in Japan. But in France, we have also the TGV, okay? Le train arrive. The train is arriving, okay? Le train, okay? Le tramway. Tramway is the one in the middle of the road, okay? Tramway. Donc, we have the train is arriving. Then we have the taxis, just the same, le taxi. Le taxi, nous appelons un taxi. Nous appelons un taxi. We need to faire une liaison. Okay, we need to connect. Nous appelons un taxi. We call a taxi. Okay, let's repeat pas. Le train ou le tramway et le taxi. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Merci. Bravo. Now we have the car or coche, okay? La voiture, parce que voiture c'est féminin. So we use la voiture, okay? J'ai une voiture, I have a car. Then we have la moto is motorcycle, okay? Then la moto, il roule en moto. Il roule en moto. He rides a motorcycle. Rouler is riding. Okay, donc, répétez s'il vous plaît, la voiture et la moto. Bravo. Of course, we have le vélo. Le vélo is a bicicleta, okay? Bicycle. Le vélo, elle fait du vélo. Elle fait du vélo. She rides a bike. Then we have a truck. Truck is le camion. Le camion, okay? Quand c'est un grand camion, mais ici un petit camion, camionnette, okay? But it's a big truck, it's called le camion, but if it's a small truck, it's called camionnette, okay? Donc, le camion est lourd. Le camion est lourd. Lourd is heavy. The truck is so heavy, which is normal. Okay? Répétez s'il vous plaît. Le vélo et le camion. Bravo. Next, we have the boat. Boat is le bateau. Le bateau. Bateau. Le bateau part. The boat is living. Okay? Boat. Bangka po. Next, we have the plane. L'avion. L'avion. Okay? Avion. Je prends l'avion demain. Je prends l'avion demain. I'm taking a plane tomorrow. Okay? Sasakay ng aeroplano bukas. Okay? So, please repeat. Le bateau, boat, et l'avion. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Bravo, merci beaucoup. So, the last is the jeepney and the tricycle. Jeepney is called le jeepney. It's the same. Je monte dans un jeepney para mapuno na. Okay? I ride the jeepney. And then we have the tricycle. The tricycle is called the tricycle. Le tricycle. Le tricycle est rapide. Le tricycle est rapide. The tricycle is fast. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Le jeepney et le tricycle. Huwag po sana kalimutan ng mga to at huwag din po sana akong kalimutang i-like, subscribe at i-comment. At samahan niyo po ako sa susunod nating aralin, les directions. Directions. Libre po ito at walang bayad. Merci beaucoup tout le monde et à bientôt!